around in Mommy's boots. Let me see. More walking.
I'm walking the blue.
Okie dokie. You're doing a pretty good job. Right. Uh-oh. You came out of them. Bye. Why do you have your flag?
Because I have my boots.
Oh, yeah, obviously. Uh-oh. Ah!
I want to see it.
Uh-oh. Come in here.
Carlos Santana.
I want to see it. I want to see it.
Okay. Go up to your tree. Go up to your tree. Go to your tree, baby cakes. Okay. Now turn around and look at Mommy. Can you say Merry Christmas?